Welcome back. Of course, we've been talking about making these pineapple upside down cakes, and we have some finished products here this morning.
Aren't those absolutely adorable and cute and small? I mean, look how golden brown that top is. They're perfect.
Okay, with the batter that we made, about how many of these do you get?
I can get 24.
24?
24.
Wow, that's impressive.
So out of a box of cake mix, I get 24 servings of these, and they come out in the way that they come out, they're just like a donut.
Nice.
So there's a little fuss, little muss. I mean, you can put them on a plate and people can just walk by and pick them up.
I like it.
So just, if you've greased your pan well and you use the sprays that have flour in them, all you have to do is take your pan and find a spot where the cake's not sticking over.
Mm-hmm. And if it is a little sticky, you could just simply take like a knife.
Take a butter knife and break it free.
Break it free.
And I like to use my fingers just a little bit. Sometimes if you press on them, you can get them to break free. And you can see how easy that one moved. And then just...
Oh, they got that jiggly pineapple right on the end. And I was saying, oops, I forgot to bring a knife. And Chef Anthony reminded me, no, you don't need one with this.
You don't need one with this. Look how beautiful and juicy and fluffy those are inside of there.
And you can see the little bit of brown sugar. The rest of it is just kind of seeped into it.
Seeps right into the cake itself. Still a little warm.
Oh, yeah.
Those are fun.
Okay, here goes nothing.
I can't wait.
I'm excited. Wow.
Isn't that great?
I'm gonna eat this whole thing.
And that's the beauty of these in themselves, is because it is just a box cake mix, and we're all familiar with it. So just take the package out, throw the box away.
Don't follow the instructions on the box.
Don't follow the instructions on the box, because it'll turn out a little bit too dense. And everybody, there are hundreds of enhancement recipes out there for box cake mixes. This is the one that I use. It was given to me by somebody that I respect and I trust, and it never fails me. Every single time I can produce the exact same cake.
Now, do you use this cake for other recipes as well?
I do. I use this. I do birthday cakes. When I teach baking and pastry, they learn to follow the directions on the cake box. Then they have to use this enhancement recipe. Then they make a cake from scratch, and they try all 3 cakes. And they have to write about the differences in each one. And even in a homemade cake, most of them come back and say that the enhanced box is their favorite.
Interesting.
So, and it's simple. The only time it takes is just the mixing process to get everything together. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to get it all mixed together, nice and light and fluffy, and away you run it. Use your imagination. Birthday's coming up, that thing that you have to do, that potluck you have to do for work.
Oh, I can picture these as like a perfect, like little mini desserts to have for a potluck, or to have for, buffet style or something like that.
Exactly. And these are what we gave the teachers last night for dessert for their parent-teacher conference dinner.
I was trying to think of how sweet. Yes, of course, all week in Pittsburgh this week, teachers are staying super late, so they're at the mercy of, whatever they have in their desk to eat for dinner, unless you have Chef Anthony at your school.
Well, my students, they love doing it. Last night we put out a full taco and fajita bar for the teachers, and they made everything but the tortillas.
Wow.
So they put out a full spread for the teachers. They're there, they serve the teachers, they clean up from the teachers. It's just come eat, have fun, relax, socialize with the other teachers. It's a wonderful event.
Pretty cool. All right, so next week is our Thursday before Halloween.
And I'm not decided yet, but I think we're going to do something candy oriented.
It'll be spooky and sweet.
Yes.
Or sour. Or sweet?
Sweet, probably, because if we go sour...
And knowing him, spicy too.
Oh, definitely got a little spice kick to it.
All right, well, I'm going to continue to enjoy this. And I was trying to think of what it tasted like. Like, not a tiny dancer on my tongue, but like a sweet... help me out here. Something...
To me, it's more like a sweet little melody.
Ooh.
Because it's just everything's so perfect and harmonious, and it has that little crispiness on the top, and it's soft in the middle and rich at the top on the pineapple.
It's the sweet melody that doesn't want to leave the tip of your tongue.
That's right.
There you go. All right.
So I'll see you next week. I hope you guys have fun. If you have any ideas of things that you'd like to see us do, please just
Yeah, send us,
them in,
either of us, a message.
and
Yeah,
we'll
for
make
sure.
it happen.
All right, thank you so much, and we'll be right back.